it's Sissy. Didn't think you'd see me again today, did you? But anyway, I have another quick and easy Dollar Tree craft. I'm not going to say this one's 5 minutes, but 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, but it is quick. Anyway, stay tuned to see how we made this cute little red bird Christmas decoration. For this video, we're going to use this little round of wood, slice of wood. I think I got these off of Amazon. I'm not quite sure. I just have them in a box, but so we're going to use one of them. You don't have to have one of these. You could use a circle of cardboard or anything as a base. And then we're going to use 2 of these little wooden pieces. They have them in the bag at Dollar Tree, so we're going to use 2 of those. Some of these red berry garland. Some sticks from my yard. Some twine, and this cute little pick from Dollar Tree. We may use some glitter and some faux snow. I hadn't decided yet. When we get to decorate it, we'll see what we need to do. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to glue the top of our sticks, and we just want to kind of form this into a triangle. So we're just going to and then we're going to take this other piece and we're going to glue it down here at the bottom. Once we get that glued, we're going to take our berry garland and we're just going to wrap it around it. Okay, then we're going to take our base, and I'm using 2 pieces because I wanted to lift it up just a little bit. And we're going to glue this bottom piece right in the center. Then we're going to take this next piece and just stack it. Okay, and then this one, I'm going to put a good amount. And then we're going to put our tree here and just hold it till it dries. think it's dry now. So I'm going to add a little bit of this greenery in here just to give it a little more snowy look and to kind of fill in around the bottom of the tree a little bit. Okay, and I glued the little pine cone down there on the bottom. So stick a piece up here. Oops, I'm going to take that clip off. Okay, and I think I'm going to put a little pine cone on that side over there too. Glued the little pine cone down here and a couple of berries. Anyway, that's it. That's another quick and easy Dollar Tree. Well, yeah, sort of Dollar Tree. The little wood things came from Dollar Tree, and the bird came from Dollar Tree, and the pine cones. Sticks came from my yard. Berry wreath, berry vine from Dollar Tree also. But anyway, that's my quick and easy redbird. Redbirds always remind me of my grandma. So y'all get out there. I know it's close to Christmas, but it's still plenty of time. Go craft. See ya. Bye.